In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish files to the Figma community. We'll walk through the exact flow inside Figma and cover the small details that help your work stand out. By the end, you'll be ready to publish confidently with a page that's clear, searchable, and visually polished. Start by confirming you have edit access to the file you want to share. Only editors can publish to the community. A quick way to tell is to try renaming a layer or saving a change. If that's blocked, you'll need to request edit permissions from the file owner before continuing. With access confirmed, go to the top right corner of your file. Click the Share button and choose Publish to Community. If it's your first time, Figma will prompt you to create a creator profile and select a handle. Keep it simple and recognizable, since it appears on your community posts and helps people find your work. Next, fill in the publish details. Start with a clear descriptive name. Then write a concise description that explains what the resource is, who it's for, what's included, and any setup notes such as fonts or components used. Put the most important information in the first sentence, because that preview is often what convinces someone to click in. Add up to 5 tags to improve discoverability. Choose specific, truthful terms that match how users would search, and avoid anything misleading. Upload a custom thumbnail, ideally 1920 by 1080 pixels, with clear contrast and legible type. Avoid tiny text and keep key elements inside safe margins. You can also add up to 9 additional images as a cover carousel to showcase highlights. Arrange them to tell a quick story from an overview to close-ups of components or interactions. Set permissions and choose the type of share. Publish as a file when you want people to duplicate and work with your templates, UI kits, or design systems. Publish as a prototype when the goal is for viewers to click through flows without editing. Select the license that matches how you want others to use your work, and decide whether to enable comments for feedback or disable them if you prefer a clean thread. Before you go live, review everything. Check spelling, tag count, image crops, and that your thumbnail reads well at smaller sizes. When you are happy, click Publish to make it live. Processing can take a moment, and you can return any time to update details. Swap images, or adjust settings. Thanks for watching.